Hi, this is Rajiv Verma, mortgage broker from Simplified Mortgage Solution, the Mortgage Center. So today I would like to talk about how you can renew your mortgage, renew or refinance your mortgage if you have a bad credit. So everybody sometimes have a challenge refinancing or renewing your mortgage because of bad credit or income issues. So I'm a licensed mortgage broker and here to tell you that Simplified Mortgage Solutions has solutions that can help you renew your renew or refinance your mortgage, even if you don't look like, say, a perfect candidate to the big banks. So simplifymortgage.ca has been helping Canadians get mortgage approved for a long time, and we make the process simple, even if you're not the perfect fit for the traditional big banks. Don't be panicked. There are still lots of options, and we are here to help you. So we work almost exclusively with the lenders who are willing to overlook the imperfections and imperfections, and clients who are self-employed on a pension or on a disability commission, or even have a creative accountant or accounting solutions. So in fact, we can help in any situation. The key to getting an approval with these lenders is equity. And the more equity you have, the more likely you will be get approved. So we work with a large pool of lenders, like big banks, private lenders, institutional lenders, mortgage investment corporations, as well as the individual private lenders, and also everyone in between these lenders, to make sure that you are getting the best deal possible in the markets. So our lenders will assist you with consolidating debts, paying the property tax arrears, catching up your missed mortgage payments, paying back Revenue Canada arrears, and restructuring to improve cash flow. So simplifymortgagesolution.ca understand that life presents some challenge. And so the lenders we work with, our relationship and experience, give us the ability to do what the other clients or the brokerages only dream of doing. So we are experts in bad credit and income challenges. So give me a call back for a free consultation, 647 or you can visit simplifymortgage.ca for more information. So thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for another educational